Sir, we are looking for a job.
Yes, sir. Are you sure you can do this work?
Yes, we just see the signpost. We decided to come. We can do it.
Can you take care of animal?
Yes, sir, we can take care of animal. I'm professional in animal.
God of status. God of status.
We can do it, sir.
Okay.
We just need the job. We just need them.
What is your name?
Mekaino, sir.
Mekaino. And what is your name?
The best, sir.
The best.
The best.
The best. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sign here.
Me?
Sign here. Of status. God of status.
Thank you, sir.
God of status. Oh yeah, now you sign here.
Jesus is Lord.
You do okay now?
Father.
God of status.
Yes.
God of status. You can do this work.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Oh yeah, now come. Let me show you.
Okay, sir.
Father.
This is
Jesus is Lord.
This is the one. This is tiger. Lion. Make sure you brush his teeth every morning and night. I said, make sure you brush his teeth every morning and night. And this tiger is very dangerous also. God of status. God of status. This tiger is very dangerous. So, come, let me show you room 2.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Come. Can you see this?
what I see.
Dogs. This is dogs. You can play with them. Play with all these dogs. But he dangerous also.
Hi. Jesus,
He's dangerous, very danger. Just play with the dog. He bite people anyhow, front and back anyhow if you mess up. But I want you to play with them.
Play with dog.
Yes, play with dog.
Play with dog.
Hear of this.
God of status. So, where is Mekaino now? Don't you see? This is leg. Let's go.
You be mumu. Anywhere you enter, you go bust the laughter. Anywhere you enter, you go show the mental.